What's up everybody, I have BoohooMAN.com. I ordered leather biker jacket, big and tall. I'm 6'5", quite tall I guess, average body type. So let's see what they send me. I paid £28 plus next day delivery. It was £2, so in total I paid $29.99. And let's see what is inside. Black color. At the end of the video I will put it on and so you can see how it looks on me. It's a little belt. This is in size 3XL. You can see the texture. It's very light. Zippers here and there. This is inside. 3XL. You can put this belt through these loops here. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? And I will see you on the next one.
We must pay homage to him.